Yep, I'm a pig.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Earlier today I was feeling a little on the blue side. I'm not talking about the veins that show through my skin. I'm talking about feeling a little bit sad. So what do we do when we feel a little bit sad? That's right, we go on the internet to find people that are more sad than we are. Just kidding. I searched the internet for easy ways to feel happy, and I ran into an article called 12 Instant Mood Boosters. Now, since I didn't have much time, the instant part of this article interested me. It's from a website whose Facebook page I follow, and it's called The Law of Attraction. And you might know that from that kind of cult movie, The Secret, where you manifest the things that you want. So today I think we'll try to manifest some happiness from 12 instant mood boosters. Here we go. And I think what we'll do is, if it's a mood booster that is doable at the moment, I'll do it and see how I feel. All right, here we go. 12 natural mood boosters. Well, that's different from 12 instant. Number 1, take a relaxing shower. I'm not going to do that right now. I don't shower either. Gross. I actually take baths. Those really do improve my mood. Sitting in a vat of my own filth, it's fun. Number 2, contact someone you love. Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Sitting here. What are you doing?
I'm also sitting here. I'm just calling to talk for 5 minutes.
Okay.
I just need a conversation or even emails so I can...
Want to talk in person?
Okay. Number 3 is do a deep breathing exercise. Breathe through your nose to a count of 5, then hold your breath for another 5, and then exhale for 5. Okay. 5 is too long to breathe in. I better do it slower. Hold. Breathe out. Oh my God, I feel great. Number 4, which seems kind of weird, but it says sniff a lemon. Let's see why. It says that your sense of smell is actually intimately connected with your emotional state. All right, I didn't have any lemons, but I'm hoping that this might do. No, I need to go get some lemons. Number 5, listen to Brainwave audios. And of course, there is an ad right next to it for free Brainwave audio. Free. But I know that these audios do help with stress and are known to put you in a good mood. But I'm not going to do that right now. Ooh, number 6, dance. Okay. Wait. Ava! I do feel better after that. Number 7 is look at inspiring photographs. Look at pictures that symbolize happiness. All right. Number 8, smile at yourself. I'll give that a try. It does feel inauthentic. How you doing? Number 10, get rid of clutter. You know what I would like to do is clean up the clutter in this room. And I'm going to show that to you guys right now with my trusty phone. Come on, butthole. So let's start over here and we will go around the room. There we have some stuff I got in the mail, and those clothes right there are actually from the Forever 21 $100 haul. Yeah, it's still there. That video was months ago. And a little, oh, there's some DVDs on the floor, lipstick, some tissue paper. Wait till you see this. Yep, there's my camera. Ouch. That is a microscope and a camera holding device. And that's it. And there's some pillows. Yep, I'm a pig. Number 11 is a good one, and that is get some light. We all seem to be deficient in vitamin D3. A lot of this is because we try to stay out of the sun, or at least not let ourselves get too much sun. For this reason, I take vitamin D3, but I guess we can get a little light in here. There, you see it? Finally, number 12 is have a good hug. So that's it, you guys, for this video on 12 instant mood boosters. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I definitely did.
Wind your body.
If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys. She's not dancing!